everybody. Today we're going to be making some lemon volcanoes, which is a super fun science experiment that we all get to do together. The ingredients you're going to need for your lemon volcano is a knife to cut your lemons. When cutting your lemon, make sure you have a parent there or get a parent to help you cut the lemon. A popsicle stick or a butter knife to poke your lemon to make it explode like the volcano. A paper plate or a tray to cut on. Just a cutting board to cut your lemon on, some dish soap. I have 2 lemons, you can do it with just 1. I'm just going to use 2 to get a little bit of a bigger explosion. I also have some lemon juice. This is optional. If you're using a lemon, you can just save part of it to do the same thing that the lemon juice would do. Some food coloring and some baking soda. So what we're going to start off with is just cutting off the bottom part of your lemon. And this is just for it to sit on flat. So you just need to cut off a little bit of a tail so it sits flat. And then you're gonna cut your lemon again at the top so that it will sit up. I'm also just gonna take my knife or my butter knife or my popsicle stick and poke the lemon to get the juices loose and to kind of carve out your lemon. You don't wanna lose too much of the juice, so don't overdo it. I'm going to put that lemon on my plate and I'm going to do it to my other one. You're done with the sharp knife now, and you're just going to carve out your lemon again. And we're going to put it on our plate. Next, I'm going to take my food coloring and I'm going to put a couple drops in my lemon wherever I want, just on the top. You can mix colors, you can do it however you like. Whatever colors you put in is the colors that your lemon's going to erupt your volcano. So I've added some blue, I'm going to add a little bit of pink. I'll do a drop of red on that one, and I'll do some green on this one. And then we'll just throw a drop of yellow on this one. If you don't have that many colors, it's okay. You can do these just with 1 color. So I put my food coloring down, and now I'm gonna add my dish soap. So I just do a little bit of dish soap on the top. And then it's time for your baking soda, where you're gonna take a scoop of it and pile it on top. And you'll see that mine's already erupting a little bit. If you see mine foaming over the sides, I'm gonna retake my popsicle stick and just poke it, and you'll see the eruption start to come. With your extra lemon juice, you can just squeeze a little on top to get it going a little more. You'll see all your colors come through as you continue to poke your lemon, and the juice helps it erupt even more. And you'll see right on my plate, I have my volcano lemons. Thanks for coming today, guys, and I can't wait to see you again next week.